yes guys, before the video start, me need you to like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, please turn on post notification because you know now turn on the post notification for the post notification. Post them. Enjoy this video guys.
Buckle my shoes. That girl your body cock.
Brother, man a thief, you know brother.
Imma. I will suck on one. Oh, Tev Don. Yo, Tev Don, I free me, bro, God.
Youth, brother, don't bro me, you know youth. You see youth are thief, youth. Youth, one could try to make her come over me yard, my youth. You thief my phone, youth. Youth, you're a big thief in the youth. Youth, me can't believe you.
Wait. Yeah, Tabo.
My youth, me don't want to hear nothing from you in the youth. You thief my phone and you thief my phone. My youth, me go home back phone to my youth.
I'm not thief no phone, bro.
Youth, that's anyway me say youth, me go knock you out in the youth.
Brother, look how long stop thief on, bro. I'm tear dog.
Stop thief? Alright. But when I stop thief, alright.
Me stop thief from yesterday, bad man.
Brother, remember say you're thief.
My youth.
You know my youth. You hear me by the you thief my phone, my youth?
Wait. Yeah,
What do you mean by what me I use star fan right now? No must my phone. No. Subscribe.
Every gal want lick it G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on the spot. Me no power with no loot friend, the whole of we a chopping. A tilt up Mark X ring 12 fat. Every gal want lick it G like lollipop. Me take away a boy gal right on the spot.
So if you haven't yet subscribed to Oryon Comedy, yo, just go over to Killer channel and subscribe. Just go over there and subscribe to it. Dark. So you know joggings go. I want to go over to my vlog channel. Link is also in my description. Big up on yourself. Whole heap of vlog over there. You know joggings go. I'm out. May I make some more vlog for you. Just go over there and subscribe. Link in the description.